All right, let me show you a little bit about how we install our walk gates. Not the slide gates, but the walk gates. So you can see we got 3 hinges here. You could do a 4th one on top if you want to for aesthetics, but this is all you really need to prevent sag. So you'll see, and you've probably seen some other videos on this, but this diagonal brace is super important. Ideally, it's at a 45-degree angle or near that, and it's in compression. So what I mean by compression is that the hinge side, which is this side, is catching the force, right? So just imagine all the weight of the gate going down here, but the force goes down, and then it travels through this way, and this hinge catches it. And what's important too is that not only you have this brace and compression, but you have really strong support on the hinge side. One way to do that is to put in 2 posts on the hinge side. And of course, make sure they're nice and deep, at least 3 feet, and with a lot of concrete. We like to put at least 120 pounds per post. But again, this is just one way to do it, what we recommend. And then what a lot of people don't do, what we also recommend, is putting 2 posts on the latch side. So the reason why we recommend putting 2 posts on the latch side is because sometimes people will slam the gate. I'm not going to slam it, but you get what I mean? Sometimes people will slam the gate, and what happens is over time, that single post can get dislodged, or it becomes flimsy or out of place. If there's, so having 2 posts on the latch side can really help with the longevity. So 2 posts on the latch side, 2 posts on the hinge side, bracing and compression. Western red cedar rails, by the way, even if you're doing a treated pine fence, more on that later, but I recommend, because if you do like a treated pine rail, they're really heavy, at least at first with the moisture, but I really recommend Western red cedar rails because they stay straighter for much longer. So if you're doing a gate, even if you're going more economic on the rest of the fence, make sure you get some Western red cedar rails. Now, here's one more thing I recommend too. There's different ways to build it, but we like to put in this little 2x4 right here vertically and notch it out for the latch right here, because it can help. You can see there's a gap. You see that gap that you can see through here? So instead of that gap being there for the whole thing, we put the 2x4 like that, and now you can't see through, and it adds just a little more privacy. You can see how solid that is, right? This video is not about the sliding gate, so we'll more on that later. But yeah, this is one way to build a walk gate with the 4 rails and 3 hinges. You could actually even get away with just 2 hinges. You really only need 2, but I'm probably gonna get some hate in the comments on that one. Go ahead, hate away. But yeah, so this is how you build a gate, or one way to build it.